In this lesson, I'm going to provide you with some of my favorite meal planning tips, and you can follow along with the sample meal plan, grocery list, recipes, and menu planning templates attached. Let's get started. Meal planning might seem daunting at first. However, once you get the hang of it, you will be working smarter and not harder. When you have a plan and healthy food, you can avoid undereating from skipping meals or overeating from not eating enough during the day. I also find that it cuts down on food waste when you have a plan and know what you are eating. So let's create your healthy meal plan. You can start by taking a look at the sample meal plan and grocery list. You might want to follow this precisely or mix and match ideas and create your own meal plan. There are many different ways to meal plan. I recommend starting with adding in your breakfast, then adding in your mid-morning snacks, lunches, mid-afternoon snacks, and then your dinners. Depending on your preferences, you might want to cook in bulk for the week, double your recipe so you have it for dinner or lunch the next day, or cook each meal separately. Variety is key, so I recommend rotating your meals and snacks to enhance your nutrient intake and prevent boredom. A general recommendation is to have 3 different ideas for each of your meals and 3 different ideas for each of your snacks. You can start by filling in your breakfast all the way across, rotating each option and then moving down into your snacks, lunches, and then dinner. I invite you to spend some time and create your own meal plan. Once you have completed your meal plan, you can enter in ingredients into each category of your shopping list. I recommend starting with your breakfast ingredients and moving into your snacks and so on. Great. Now you have a little bit of direction to create your own meal plan and you have the tools needed. Please take some time and create your own meal plan. Just know that it's a work in progress. So each week, perhaps you evolve the initial meal plan or create one from scratch. You can decide what works best for you and just have fun. Once you get the hang of it, I think that you'll get into a really good flow and you'll really enjoy the process of having your foods already available for you and knowing what you're going to eat for the day. It really does take a big weight off of your shoulders.